Hi everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and thank you for coming to this tutorial. This tutorial I want to talk to you about Act Premium Cloud and some of the things you can do with it that make it unique for Act users simply because it's in a web browser. So let me give you an example of this. Right now I'm on a contact. It doesn't matter what contact I'm on, but let's say I want to look at my task list all of a sudden. Well, I can come right here and click on task list, and now I see a list of all the things I have to do on this given day. If I want to go back to the contact screen, I can click on contacts and I go back to my contacts. But what if I want to see both things at the same time? How can I do that? Well, let me give you something to think about. Every once in a while, you might be working on a contact and you don't necessarily want to navigate away from the contact, but you want additional information that's in Act in another location. Let me show you a little trick. I'm going to come up here on the tab and I'm going to click on the right mouse button. And when I do that, I have some options here. I'm going to come down to where it says duplicate tab and I'm going to click on that. And you'll see another tab has been added up top with the exact information I had in the first tab. I'm just clicking back and forth. Now, this tab could potentially be put on a second monitor. So imagine you have two monitors in your office. You're looking at contacts on one monitor, and on the other monitor, maybe you want to see your task list. So you can review the task list, but also get into your contacts as you need to. So this is a real easy way to duplicate data. If you want to do a third tab, you can do that as well. But duplicating tabs is just a way to extend the capabilities of working in Act Premium Cloud. And once you recognize some of those things and some of the ways you can use it, you can realize that this is a pretty good tool with all the things you can do that are related not specifically to Act, but being in a web browser. So there are some other tools as well I'll show you along the way. Thank you so very much. You have a great day. Be well.